It's on its way and the temperatures are going to be cold tomorrow morning. Luckily, we're not expecting snow here in southwest Florida, but you can see snow stretching across the southeast this morning with winter storm warnings in place in portions of North and South Carolina. This morning, Raleigh just about to get a little bit of snow moving through. Greensboro seeing snow, as is Charlotte and Asheville. Greenville, South Carolina seeing snow this morning as well. We're seeing that through Athens, Georgia. You can see Atlanta saw snow for quite a few hours overnight. That's now moving into Macon, Georgia. Montgomery, Alabama got some snow last night. Dothan, Alabama did, as did Mobile, Alabama. So that brings us to the Panhandle. This is not the first time we've seen snowfall through the Panhandle this season, but we're seeing that through beach areas. Pensacola, Destin in this area getting snow. Crestview got snow. Red Bay getting snow right now. This is headed toward Panama City. Looks like a bit of a rain-snow wintry mix in Panama City. So it is a cold and slick start to the morning across the southeast. If you do have travel plans today anywhere across the south, check for delays because this is not weather that we're used to. And that front will continue on its merry way down to southwest Florida. We expect to feel the change by this afternoon, first with winds picking up and then temperatures plummeting overnight. Luckily for us, satellite and radar looks quiet. We are seeing some thin high clouds out there, so kind of a gray, hazy look to the morning, but no rain, and temperatures, although cool, are not freezing. Temperatures right now in the 40s and 50s as you head out the door. Predictor shows a lot of sunshine. As we head into this evening, you will notice those clouds moving by as the winds pick up. That's the front passing through, and then the dry, cold air will filter in overnight. As for your temperatures today, highs are going to climb near 70 degrees. So we actually get a nice warm afternoon under that mix of sun and clouds with the breezy winds. But what we'll notice this evening are those temperatures dropping really quickly. So typically the temperatures just kind of taper off throughout the night. We're going to watch those really plummet as that cold air moves in. 4-city forecasts. Taking it up to 76 in a choppy today, 71 in Murdoch, 73 for Clewiston at Fort Myers Beach, right around 70 degrees before that cold air moves in. Inman marine boating forecast really getting choppy thanks to the winds with that front. Small craft advisory in place starting this afternoon. Winds up to 25 knots with seas building 3 to 5 feet. So not the best day to be out on the boat. As the front approaches, the winds will really pick up and then the colder air moving in behind it. How cold? We're talking temperatures that are flirting with freezing. We're going to see temperatures throughout southwest Florida in the low to mid 30s. And that is why we're seeing those watches and those advisories in place. So this is what we have for cold weather advisories. Freeze watch for inland Charlotte and Glades. That means temperatures are expected to hover right around 32, right around freezing, and you'll want to take care of those especially sensitive pets, plants, and people because of the cold weather as we head into tomorrow morning. And then wind chill advisory starts at 11 o'clock tonight, going through tomorrow morning with wind chills right here. You see temperatures. This is 8:49 still. Starting at early morning, we're looking at wind chills down into the 20s. So those are the temperatures you need to dress your kids for tomorrow. And that's why we're telling you about it today, so you can break out those coats, hats, gloves, scarves ahead of time for tomorrow morning. The good news is it does not last long. Highs will be back near 75 by Saturday. So Thursday going to be very cold in the morning, cool in the afternoon, and then slowly but surely we get back to 80 as we start next week. Jillian?